Alright, so today and in the box we'll be unboxing T-Mobile's new RevvlRy smartphone. Now let's see what we got. I definitely like the design of this box with the white cover and the little pink corner. That's pretty signature with T-Mobile to have that magenta color, you know, they have to represent. So let me just take this off real quick. There we go. Alright, so let's get this going. Let's open up this box and see what's inside of it. Alright, there you go. So we have the RevvlRy phone. It feels good. It definitely feels like an upgrade from the old Revvl. You got the camera with the flash there and the fingerprint scanner. Alright, let's see what else that we got in here. Right under here we have the little box packet. Let's just check this first. Alright, we have a USB. It looks like a micro USB. Nope, USB Type-C. Sorry about that. So the phone does use a USB Type-C cable, and here we have the charging adapter. So the cable is USB Type-C to a standard USB, which is a little different from the Plus version. The Plus version comes with a charging cable that goes from USB Type-C to USB Type-C. But yeah, let's continue. Let's see what we got in this little packet here. So first we have the T-Mobile SIM card. Of course, you can't get service without one of these, so this is definitely important to have with the phone. We have the welcome start guide. This pretty much helps you set up the basics. First time smartphone users probably look at that. We have terms and conditions, which most people don't read. And we have the safety and regulatory information. I don't think anybody I know reads that either, but maybe I'll check it out later. We also have the SIM tool here. So this tool is used to open the tray where you put in the SD and the SIM card, which we actually have a video that shows you how to do that. So thank you for tuning in, guys. Make sure you share and subscribe. We'll see you at the next video.